So we are checking how the recording is on the, because I've changed some audio settings. I want to understand how this works. तो मैं आज भरी दोपहर में, अब आप टाइम अगर देखोगे तो इट इज़ 1:16 और अब ये सोच लो पीक समर, just trying my patience because हुआ ये कि अब ये बाइकर ही समझ सकता है, जब दिमाग का दही हो जाता है तो अनवाइंड करने के लिए कुछ ना कुछ तो करना ही पड़ता है. So it's excruciatingly hot. The temperature is 42 degrees and the bike is like a dragon throwing flames. I'm cruising down the expressway and yeah, let's up the game a little. Let's get ahead of the traffic now. Cruising at 100, 95, 9500. I'm gonna up the game a little bit. So we are reaching Pari Chowk now. And I think I'm just going to take a U-turn and head back home. Cool off and then decide what to do. So now I'm cruising at 60. That's a safe speed here. Lot of traffic here. First I thought I'll take a spin down the expressway, the Yamuna expressway. I think it's too hot. 42 degrees on the dash and woo! Nice. Thank you. Woohoo! Yeah, that's to the expressway, but I'm not gonna go there, but I'm just gonna head straight to the Pari Chowk goal sector and then that. And the red is looking so strikingly red in the heat, and we have reached Pari Chowk. Taking it slow. Lot of traffic, man, lot of traffic. Here the temperature seems to be like 0.5 degree less. So it's 41.5 degrees here. And wow, look at the madness here. You can see the new construction happening. And traffic में तो भाई वाट लग गई अपनी. Wonder if the straight goal चक्कर और take a left. I think खुला है. Oh man, it's so hot. Well, I shouldn't be complaining. Okay, open. Yeah, so that's the Pari Chowk goal sector. Mad traffic, man, mad traffic. और हम Yeah, we could have gone straight and had a small dairy. Anyway, it's too hot. Let's head back home. Ah, police wale. They're also trying to recuperate. Oh no, they're not stopped. Sorry, I'm hallucinating in the heat. Okay, so we just taken off from the Golchakkar and headed back towards home, where I'll chill in the AC. Before that, I'll have a cold bottle of water. I'll finish it off. Yep. Yeah, I can see some water. I just splash it here. I'm sure the wind noise must be deafening you guys. Because I have the visor up. Okay, let me just put the visor down. Okay. I hope this helps. Okay. Yep. Just keeping it between 100 and 120. Traffic is too much. Don't want to get challan. Keeping it under the radar. Okay. Whew. Crazy man. So somehow while coming back the temperature seems to be lower. Half a degree. Oh no, it's back 42. So I believe the temperature towards Greater Noida is half a degree less and towards Noida it's half a degree more. Actually, half a degree is actually, you can actually feel the difference when you move from, because I'm not wearing a full sleeve shirt, so हाथों में पता चल रहा है because I'm not wearing a sleeveless anything like that. Oh, it's increasing now. It's 42.5. Yeah, that's a good mark. Shiny black mark, 4matic DLS 400D. Nice, sweet. Okay, let's just get ahead of these guys. I'm going to go This is the inside lane for now. Damn it, man! Yeah. The temperature is back to 42 degrees. I don't know, the bike must be, no clue what's the temperature on the bike, but it's definitely on the higher side, just 2 notches below the maximum. It doesn't say the temperature value, but then it does indicate that it's on the brink of heating up. And yeah, 42. Oh yeah, that's the new EV. VinFast. So this is the MPV7. Seems to be a new model. Seems to be borrowing the Gadi. So this is a Vietnamese company which is now manufacturing in India. Wow! Vinfast is crazy. So the temperature is now reduced to 41 point. Actually, when I'm on the open this thing, then it seems to be less. So just have a look at this VinFast. So these guys have got these cabs also. So they have these cabs which are like nice light blue in color. They have a place. I'm not so sure how to book one, but then they have these cabs also. So that's the Harrier EV. Looks pretty cool. The color is also cool color, Nardo grey. So bye bye Harrier EV. So we are back, headed towards home, sweet home. And this is the Mahamaya flyover now. So we had a okay kind of a ride. As long as the bike was moving, it was not hot, but then I think I'm headed towards, oh bloody hell, this seems to be like a standstill traffic. Anyway, oh it's cooler here, it's 40 degrees, oh sorry, 41 degrees here. Random vendors here selling shikanji and मन तो बहुत कर रहा है शिकंजी पीने का, बट देन दिल को संभालना पड़ता है, दिमाग से. Not bad. So headed towards 37. ये हमने ऑलमोस्ट पार कर दिया है और हम फंसे नहीं हैं, थैंक गॉड. ये नहीं तो बाय द वे माय आर्म्स आर बर्न्ड. indicator didn't switch off. Okay. Going on. This is also electric. I think with this fuel situation with the government, ethanol blending and all that, पता नहीं अभी आगे बाइक का क्या होगा because the Tiger has already been through almost killed the Tiger, but then thank God this was way back when they, without even announcing, they kind of introduced the E20 ethanol blended fuel. God knows how much blend they had put in. So initially तो बहुत chaos हुआ था, and thankfully उसके बाद फिर only once I had to bring the oil fuel pump and the filter and things like that. Since then अभी तो like since I've been using Red Flow ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं है. Oh, by the way, Red Flow is a ethanol stabilizer, which is to be used, which can be used on ethanol blended fuels. So it takes care of the hydroscopic properties of ethanol, and basically it stabilizes it and doesn't let the water form. So I think let's call it a day, and just so we have reached home now. Holy shit. I think I lost the bungee. Can't find it here. That's okay. Whew. Man, it's hot. So I don't know where I lost the bungee, but I think it's gone unless it's inside the. Anyway, finders, keepers, losers, reapers. That's about it.